Okay, so this is the new one. It says left hand. This is the old one. It doesn't say left hand, but if you look at it, this one the springs on this side, this one the springs on this side, levers off this side, levers off this side. So it makes me think that this one is not correct, that I took off. This is the new handle with the splines and the Allen screw. And then this is the old handle that came off of it. Slotted screw. So I don't know if the originals actually look like this or if this is a replacement, because being that this is also appears to be wrong, makes me think that that's just wrong. So I'll get this put in and get this door working again.